Replacing your windows is a major home improvement project that can enhance your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall value. For homeowners in Doral, where weather and heat are significant considerations, choosing the right window replacement service is crucial to ensure the job is done correctly and your investment pays off. Here's a guide to help you find the perfect window replacement service for your needs. Look for experience and expertise when it comes to window replacement. Experience matters. Companies with a long history of successfully completing window installations and replacements are more likely to provide quality service and handle potential challenges. Check their track record. Find out how long the company has been in business and ask about their experience with projects similar to yours. Specialized experience in Doral's unique climate is a major plus. Qualified technicians. Make sure the installers are certified and well-trained. Skilled professionals are more likely to ensure a precise fit, proper sealing, and effective installation techniques. Licensing and insurance are a must. Never hire a window replacement service that isn't licensed and insured. Licensing ensures the company meets state and local requirements, while insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or property damage during the project. General liability insurance. This covers damage to your property. Workers' compensation insurance. If an employee gets injured on your property, this insurance ensures you won't be held liable. Product quality and range of options. The right window replacement service should offer a wide selection of high-quality windows tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for increased energy efficiency, noise reduction, or a specific aesthetic, having options is essential. Energy-efficient windows. Consider services that offer windows with Energy Star ratings, low E-glass, and double or triple glazing. Energy-efficient windows are particularly important in Doral's warm climate to help reduce cooling costs. Customizable options. Look for a company that offers different materials, such as vinyl, aluminum, wood, or composite frames, as well as various styles to match your home's design. Check for strong warranties. A good warranty reflects the confidence a company has in its products and installation services. Before hiring a window replacement service, understand what type of warranties they offer. Product warranty. This covers defects in the materials or glass, ensuring long-term performance. Labor warranty. This covers any potential issues with the installation process. Be clear on the duration and terms of these warranties. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Online reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insights into a company's reputation and the experiences of past customers. Take some time to research the service's online presence, including their ratings on review sites such as Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Look for consistency. A pattern of positive reviews, especially when mentioning professionalism, punctuality, and quality work, is a good sign. Ask for references. Reputable companies should have no issue providing references from satisfied customers. Contact these references to hear firsthand about their experiences. Transparent pricing and detailed estimates. A reliable window replacement service will provide you with a detailed, transparent estimate that includes the cost of the windows, labor, materials, and any additional fees. No hidden costs. Ensure that the company is upfront about costs and avoid any that provide vague estimates or low-ball offers that may lead to hidden fees later. Free consultations. Many reputable services offer free consultations, during which they assess your needs and provide an estimate. Prioritize energy efficiency for Doral residents. Choosing windows with energy-efficient features is particularly important due to the area's warm climate. An effective window replacement service will help you choose windows that reduce heat gain and energy costs. Low E-glass coatings. This coating minimizes heat transfer and blocks harmful UV rays while letting in light. Double or triple pane windows. Multiple panes of glass with air or gas fills can provide excellent insulation. Evaluate customer service. Good customer service is essential for any home improvement project. Pay attention to how the company communicates with you, their responsiveness, and their willingness to address questions and concerns. Clear communication. The company should be responsive and keep you informed at every stage of the process. Professional conduct. From initial contact to project completion, their team should be courteous and respectful of your home. Local expertise matters. Choose a window replacement service with experience in Doral's specific climate and building requirements. Local companies often have better insights into the permits needed, climate considerations, and local building codes. Choosing wisely for your Doral home. Selecting the right window replacement service in Doral can make a significant difference in the outcome of your project. By focusing on experience, licensing, product quality, warranties, customer reviews, and energy efficiency, you can make an informed decision that ensures a successful window replacement project that enhances your home's comfort and value.